Hi, welcome back, guys. Today we're talking about how to make LinkedIn profile private. Maybe you want to control who can view your LinkedIn profile or hide the personal information available on your profile. So today, I'm going to show you how to make LinkedIn profile private. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your LinkedIn application and log in with your account. After that, tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. In this panel, tap on the settings option below. In the settings page, tap on visibility. Here, you'll see a few different settings related to your phone's visibility. Under this visibility of your profile and network section, tap on this profile viewing options. In here, you can choose on what others will see when they viewed your profile. You can choose between your name and headline, private profile characteristics, and private mode. Since you wanted to make your profile private, simply tap on this private mode option. Once you do this, your profile will now be private and will no longer be visible to anyone on LinkedIn. Take note that making your LinkedIn profile private will also prevent search engines like Google from displaying your profile in search results. Also, keep in mind that LinkedIn is primarily a professional networking platform, so limiting your profile visibility may impact your ability to connect with potential employers or business partners. There you go. If you wanted to know how to make LinkedIn profile private, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to make LinkedIn profile private, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.